Hi, I'm Lisa from Looped and Knotted, and in this lesson I'm going to show you how to change yarn colors in crochet. Whether you're working stripes, switching to a new skein, or just adding a pop of color, this is a foundational skill that will help you crochet with the confidence and creativity. Let's walk through it together. You can change colors anywhere in the project, but the cleanest method is to change it at the end of the row and right before completing the last stitch. This keeps your new color looking neat and it blends beautifully into your work. When working a row single crochet to change the yarn colors, you start with your last stitch with the color that you've been using. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull a loop through, and on the last step, you're going to drape the new color over your hook and finish the stitch with the new color. And then to start the new row, you're going to chain one with the new color, turn your work, and then continue working single crochet in each stitch as you would normally. Now let's try a double crochet. You're going to start your last stitch, yarn over, pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull through two, and then you're going to finish the stitch with the new color. Drape the new color over your hook and pull it through the last two loops. Chain three, turn your work, and now your new color is on your hook and ready to go, and your transition is super smooth. You just continue to work double crochets in the new color. Changing color is the same on every stitch. You just work the stitch up to the last step and then add the new color on the very last part of the stitch. To finish it off, weave in both the ends on the back of the work underneath their coordinating colors. And that's how to make a clean color change in crochet. It's such a small technique, but it makes a huge difference in how polished your project looks. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more beginner crochet tips. And don't forget, you can join my free crochet course where I guide you through every stitch loop by loop. You're doing amazing and I'm so proud of you. See you in the next lesson.